So let's go over what we are going to cover in this module. Well, the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to answer the question of what is a class. We are going to define from a very high level what a class is and try to really understand what a class is in object-oriented programming and specifically in Java. Then we are going to take our understanding of the class and we are going to use that to define an object. We are going to see what the difference between an object and a class is, because this is a really important distinction that you need to be able to make in Java. A lot of people get confused between a class and an object, and I really want to clear this up so that we have a good solid understanding to build from. Then we will talk about how to make up a class, which is to use members. We will check about how members are the data and the methods that operate on a class. The data and then the way to manipulate that data and how that is tightly bound together in a class. Then I will show you some examples of how to use a class. We will create a class and we will create some members for that class, and then we will see how we can create an object from that class. Then we will talk about how to create methods and what a method is. I will show you how to create a method on your class and the different kinds of methods that you can use in a class in order to manipulate the data in the class or to access that data. Then we will get into some constructors. As we create our class in Java, we will find that we need some way to initialize that class or just set its default values or to set some values on that class so that the object that gets created from that class can be used. And I will show you how to do that by using constructors. And then finally we will get into access modifiers, which will allow us the capability to hide data in our class or to make it visible.